From the creators of non-name brand Thomas cereal comes non-name brand Thomas Pop-Tarts.
Oh boy, this again. Yay! Yay!
What is it this time, Thomas?
It's non-name brand Thomas Pop-Tarts!
Where's Percy? Did somebody say that? Our Pop-Tarts are disgusting!
Have a ball, Mr. James!
This stuff is delicious! My favorite is blueberry. At least it makes me
What did you say?
These are Pop-Tarts, Toby.
They're part of a balanced lunch.
And
they're non-name brand Thomas Pop-Tarts!
that looks good! Let's bring it up a notch!
What the fuck?
I can't eat in the dark. It's a nightmare.
Out of you.
It's okay, guys. I fixed it. With what? With the power of non-name brand Thomas Pop-Tarts. Yes, I'm gonna steal it.
Come on, Mr. Weasel. You might be good. Have them all. Hey creators, it's my product. Why am I not in it most of the time?
You're not funny.
It's so good.
You can combine the two together.
Where's the flakes?
Who cares?
Hey, let me in on some of that.
Hey, Tank Engine, get out. This is my ball. No, it's mine.
She is such a jerk! I really
You get everything! Get the hell out of here!
Lammy!
Landed in a muddy ditch close to where...
Caillou didn't like the sound of that.
Bother!
Ladies, calm down. We can all share it. You, old man, how